Hello everyone, this video is very important for UPSC aspirants because the headline says that UPSC Prelims 2020 postponement plea to be heard by Supreme Court. Yes, you heard it right. The Supreme Court of India will be hearing a plea against the UPSC exam amid the COVID-19 outbreak on September 28, 2020. So, there is a chance that UPSC prelims of this year, that is 2020, can be postponed, and it is not confirmed yet that whether it will be postponed or will be on exact date as decided earlier. So, what happened is Supreme Court has received a plea to postpone the UPSC exam this year due to COVID-19 pandemic. The court has sought a response from the centre seeking postponement of Civil Services 2020 examinations. The issue will be heard by the Supreme Court of India on September 28, 2020. However, in the meanwhile, a bench of Justice A.M. Khanwilkar and Shri Sanjay Khanna issued notices to the UPSC Centre. The petitioners have requested to postpone the Civil Services examination for a period of 2 or 3 months due to the current climatic conditions with floods, rains, and most importantly, the COVID-19 situation. This plea was filed by Vasireddy Govardhana Sai Prakash and others to conduct the examination in accordance with the revised calendar. According to the plea, this 7 hours long offline exam will be taken by approximately 6 lakh aspirants at test centers in 72 cities across the country. In addition to this, the plea also stated that conducting the examination across India at such a difficult time is nothing else but putting lives of lakhs of young students at utmost risk and danger of disease and death. The petitioner urged for the postponement of the exam, stating that many aspirants are facing unimaginable hardships or unsafe health conditions. Despite alarming spurt in COVID-19, UPSC did not increase the number of examination centers, resulting into a situation where many candidates from rural areas will be forced to travel around 300 to 400 kilometers in order to reach to their examination centers, and because of this, there will be high probability of such aspirants getting affected while using public transportation for such long distance travel, the plea further added. So, this was an important news for UPSC aspirants who wanted to appear for preliminary examination of this year. Now, the plea will be heard on 28th September. So, stay tuned on this channel for further updates of UPSC examination 2020. Thank you for watching this video.